All right, it's dark now, obviously. It's only like 5:30. Do a quick video. I'm at the estate sale house. This is the conservatory. Gorgeous room. This is where I would live most of the time. Everything you see is for sale. Furniture, rugs, lamps, books, some really nice books. Brass tray there. Fantastic baker's rack. We've got the glass shelves for that. Great house. It's already sold, so I've had a couple of questions about that, of course. Already sold. We've got sterling. Look at this. Your glassware and your crockery and your entertaining items. Fantastic sofa here. Another kind of mid-century one here with the tassels. We've got some original art. Some great rugs. Trotsky, apparently he was famous in Lynchburg. I'll be doing photos and stuff, and then there's a master bathroom there, and there's stuff down here too in this kind of big closet area here. It's very nice. The old cleaning supplies. This room, I've got to sort this room out now. It's got a bit, they've got the jewellery in here, but we're going to have a bit of a sort out in here. We just got to get everything priced. And it's Tuesday evening, so we're doing pretty well. I feel like we're in a good position. This is another room, and these are, these rooms, they don't have sort of a main light, so. Sconces are available, gorgeous. Then we go back through the kind of living area, main living area, and then into the kitchen. The usual stuff, the Pyrex and the crockery and the tea towels. Corner cupboard, and some of the famous cookbooks. All right, so the estate sale is Saturday and Sunday, January 7th and 8th, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. No admission fee, no tickets, first come, first served. cheers.